I am so excited about this new convention kit that was just launched. I want to tell you about some of these products and how I love to use them. So first we've got to start with the deep blue stick. I love this stick for relief. So I can rub it on the bottoms of my feet, on my legs after I go running, on my neck as I travel. It is absolutely wonderful, and you don't have to worry about getting anything on your hands. It's fantastic. I also love to layer it with the Copaiba Touch. You can either use this with deep blue, with Copaiba over the top, or you can apply it with the deep blue stick. I love Copaiba. I use it the same way as I use the deep blue stick. It's fantastic. My daughter is an athlete and she absolutely loves the Copaiba Touch. We make it easy to apply topically. Now we have something very special in the kit that you cannot purchase outside of the convention kit, and this is Osmanthus Touch. Osmanthus Touch is a beautiful, beautiful essential oil. It's a very sticky oil, so we put it in fractionated coconut oil so that you can use it topically. I love to blend this with other essential oils to make a personal perfume. So you can rub it on your wrists, on the back of your neck. It smells amazing, very deep floral notes. So it works as a great base as using your own perfume. You're gonna want to have this, and you're gonna wanna have a good collection of it. Now, one oil that I have been waiting for so long to make available, it's actually not an oil, it's an absolute, is vanilla. It has this warm, rich, intoxicating aroma. So if you think about baking chocolate chip cookies, right? That's aroma of vanilla is so beautiful. I love to add this into my diffuser with other essential oils. I love to combine it with other essential oils to make a personal scent for myself. Everything smells better with vanilla, so you're going to love this. I also love to add it into maybe a warm tea. It's a wonderful, wonderful way to use vanilla. And I'm also very excited that we have the On Guard hand wipes now available. I love to travel with these. They go in my backpack, in my purse. I have them in my jockey box in my car because they're so convenient to use. When you travel, you can wipe down door handles, you can wipe down toilet seats, you can take the stickiness off of your hands. While I'm on the airplane, I love to wipe down my tray. You can keep everything sanitized with these On Guard wipes. So I hope that you enjoy these new products as much as I do. We're so excited to make them available to you.